Depending on your state or province, a lawyer or a title company may be used in the purchase of your home. Although they may not always be necessary to purchase a home, they do offer valuable services that may save a lot of time and money in the long run. When choosing a lawyer or a title company, first ask what services will be provided and for what fee. If you use a lawyer, be sure they have experience in real estate. Some services a title company or a lawyer may include are title search on the property, overseeing the land or property transfer, being present at the closing and ensuring a fair and reasonable contract. Unless you are paying cash, I can't emphasize enough how important it is to get pre-approved for a home loan, and our certified agents can help you get that pre-approval. This service is free of cost and you are under no obligation to buy a home. In addition, our certified agents have access to special low-interest home loans and low down payment home loans so you can buy a home with 100% financing. If you need more information on this topic or want to interview one of our certified agents to help you with your home buying process, please email, call, or text me directly. I wish you all the best in finding the home of your dreams.